Introducing the Custoscreen 300 ABPM from Promed, which is part of the Advanced Performance Group. So this is how your item is delivered, with two boxes, one with the device itself and the other with accessories. So if we now open the device box, you'll see contained within are the ABPM, and you'll see the battery holder for it, and also you'll see the infrared device, which is used for connecting to your PC. Also, it comes with a calibration certification ensuring the item is being fully tested. And if we now look at the accessories that come with this, CD with the software, which will be installed by a manufacturer trained engineer. It'll also come with a standard blood pressure cuff, also a belt and holder for your ABPM, along with batteries, your infrared device to attach to your PC, and your USB dongle. So if we now have a look at the software before taking a measurement, so we'll start up our software, which will have our practice information. We select an examination, and in this case we'll select an ABPM and a new ABPM. So we will select our patient. In this case it's a German test patient, Franz Munstermann. We'll select our patient, and for this then we would set up when our measurements are being taken, repeat measurements, and additional options. So you can see, you can set up your day phase, how measurements, the measurement interval, again the night phase, from and to, and again your measurement interval. You can set up repeat measurements that if, let's say, your maximum systolic was above 200, it'll take a repeat measurement. Also we can set up beeps, and we can set up to display the results or not. Again, you can set up different protocols for different types of measurement on different patients, and then we can just press start, and this will send both the patient information, how often it will be taken, and various other information to our device. And you can see it will transfer the information over to that device, and now we're ready to take a measurement. So if we start the device, and obviously if you place the arm down by the side in a relaxed position during the measurement, and you can see here, you can see obviously your cuff inflating and the pressure on the screen, and this will inflate to about 180-190 millimeters of mercury on the first measurement. Subsequent measurements then will be far lower, and what it will do once it gets to the highest measurement is it will actually come down and measure the oscillations, and from this then it will actually calculate the systolic and diastolic readings for the patient along with the actual pulse. So we can see it's still coming down here, and again our readings will be shown on screen, okay, as such. And now if we review the reading, we will be able to see then that we have obviously full limit values, and you can see a full graph here on screen of what's going on. You can have a look at your table of measurements, see your valid measurements, see your standard deviation around your average of your measurements, and again you can have a look back and go into auto report, which is a very useful function, and you can see here it brings an automatic report for the unit itself, and we confirm this here now once we're quite happy with it. Again, we can set up the report module for you, and we can print either to a printed paper, or we can select as a PDF file. This will be all set up by the manufacturer trained engineer. And now if we have a look at one of the reports, you'll see here your practice information, again patient information when the evaluation was taken. You can have here, look here at your table of values, table of limit values, and again your chart will also appear on this, which can be attached to your patient management system, also your report down here. Thank you very much for watching our product overview of the Custoscreen 300. For further information, please contact Promed on 1800 619 619 or promed.ie.